What a misfire is.
Just doesn't go off?
Misfire is when the gun fails to discharge. You pull the trigger and it goes click, and that's it. It doesn't go bang, it goes click. And you're like, wow. I expected to go bang, and it just went click. It's probably the loudest sound you'll ever hear when you're pointing at a bad guy jumping out of your bush. You want your gun to go bang, and it goes click. Which is different from a hangfire. Hangfire is what? What is a hangfire? You're like, tell me, Rick. I don't know. Tell me. I'm in class. That's why I'm here. Tell me. A hangfire is when you pull the trigger, the gun goes click, just like a misfire, but it does not discharge for another 15, 20 seconds or so. And then it goes bang.
So it's like a slow-burning fuse.
Yeah, it's like the potency in this powder wasn't sufficiently powerful enough to get generated initially. Right after you pull the trigger and the hammer hits the primer charge and then it creates this spark. It took a while for this powder to actually explode. It took a minute. Shouldn't say a minute. Technically it took about 10-15 seconds instead of immediately. So, you pull the trigger, the gun goes click. You're like, wow, do I have a misfire or do I have a hangfire? The difference is what?
One eventually goes off.
And fully develop that. It eventually goes off.
Discharges.
Discharges.
Wherever you're aiming it at.
Wherever you're aiming it at. In about
15 seconds.
About 15, 20 seconds or so. And then it goes bang. And just imagine if you had a handgun and you just decided to violate fundamental gun safety rule number 1. You have a loaded handgun, you pull the trigger on it, it goes click, and you're like, man, I expected to go bang. Why didn't it go bang? Wow, is it still in there? Look at my handgun. Can you see my handgun? Why didn't it go bang? Don't even point your finger at me. Ooh. No.